everyone, my name is Paulo, this is BelgoTours, and today I'm gonna show you the Marolles neighborhood, the rebel district of Brussels. The Place Jeu de Bal is one of the most representative places of Brussels' popular culture. The square dates from 1854, but we know that the site has been used as an informal market since 1640. This traditional place is located in perhaps the most authentic place in the city. The Marolles district has resisted remarkable events during centuries. During the 13th century, textile workers were expelled from the city for resisting the orders of the dominant families who owned the industry. Later, during the Industrial Revolution, poor workers will live in overcrowded conditions. Back then, the square was full of people selling illegal goods to survive. In order to respond to this situation, the architect Emil Hellmans will construct the Cité Hellmans, one of the most impressive social projects in the world. The project consisted in 7 towers inspired in Art Nouveau style, which were intended to be comfortable and full of light, a real luxury for workers on the time. During the Nazi occupation, this neighborhood will be known for being part of the resistance, and the Jeu de Bal Square will be a place where the SS arrested Jews. In 1968, the administration of Brussels decided to expropriate some parts of the district buildings in order to extend the Palace of Justice. But thanks to the residents' organization, the Marolles district resisted being destroyed. Today, the Place Jeu de Bal is known for 2 things. First, you have the flea market, where you can find a great variety of authentic local products and antiques. Second, this neighborhood represents diversity and identity. Here you can find people from all around the world living in a very chill ambience. Today, you can see several plaques in front of the houses in memory of Jewish families who were taken to concentration camps and murdered during World War II. The Marolles district is a favorite place for all kinds of artists. You will find a vast panorama of Belgian street art, going from homage to the great art master Peter Bruegel to Belgian comic paintings.